Welcome to NAIA, Philippine Terminal 3. This is now the new procedure of self-check-in. Okay, you have to weight your baggage, weight baggage, then make a process for Cebu Pacific. And that's all. Enter the enter your booking number for print out the baggage and boarding pass and baggage tag. With the process, let's try. Okay, this one, the print out boarding pass in. Okay, so you enter your booking number, and later on it will print from here. Okay, and also if you want to print your baggage tag, just press also this one and enter again your booking reference number. So after that it will print from here, and there's a lot of machine do it yourself check-in. See, okay guys, this is the latest technology in the Philippines, self check-in. Thank you, bye bye.